In this video, I will show you how to add tags to your YouTube video. And if this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, liking the video, and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video. So you can see I'm currently on youtube.com. Now to add tags, what I'm going to do is just take you through the process, and this actually happens when you create a video. So what you would do is click create and upload video. And then of course you would drag and drop your video to start uploading. So I'm just going to use any one of these as a random example. And this is the next section. So in here is where you put your description and things like this. And if you actually scroll down slightly, you're going to see a section about tags. So you can see that here, and basically tags, what they do, they help the YouTube algorithm to know what your video is about and show it to the correct people. It also helps with getting ranked. It's not as essential as it used to be, but I still do it personally, so it's all down to personal preference if you want to add tags yourself or not. So what you want to do is basically put things that are relevant to your video topic and what you're talking about. So if you've got ideas, you can type in here. For example, this one is how to add timestamp in YouTube video. So I could put something like YouTube timestamps. Then go ahead and hit enter. And that is my first tag there. Now don't worry about this score, you might have it. This is just a piece of software I use called vidIQ, which helps me to find good sort of tags and keywords and things like that. Now if you're struggling to think of some tags for your video, there is actually a website you can try which is called rapidtags.io. which is this one here, and to use this, what you want to do is come across this website, and basically what you do, you just enter your title of your video into here, like so, hit the search button, and what this is going to do is generate tags for you. And the great thing is these tags are very good tags, they're quite high ranking, they're not randomly generated. This does use the YouTube algorithm and things like that to generate these tags. And what you want to do once you generated this is click the red copy button down here, and then simply come across, go into the tag section and paste your tags in here by using Control and V, or of course Command V if you're using a Mac. So once that's done, of course you want to go through and just upload the video as normal. Now if you've actually got a video already and you want to add tags to that video, you can do that as well. So to do that, what you want to do is just come across to YouTube Studio. I'm just deleting this draft video that I just did, and basically you want to come across to YouTube Studio, hover over the video you want to add tags to, and then click the pencil icon which says details. From here, it's a similar sort of process. What you want to do is just scroll down until you get to the tags section. Just down here, and again you can add the tags manually, or if you're struggling for ideas or anything like that, just use this website rapidtags.io, put your title in, and it's going to generate some tags for you. And of course, any changes you do make, remember to click the save button in the top right hand corner to apply those changes. So I hope this video helped you out today, and as I say, if you would consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel, really do appreciate it. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.